Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at data, whatever you want to say. We had a big gap down, going sideways, big bearish pattern, and into resistance. You have this pivot down here and a bunch of resistance up in here, and that's where we're at. I wouldn't be surprised if this pulls back now, but if it did have earnings, I think it could possibly push up into the 65 area. And the reason why, let's go to the weekly. The weekly 65 area, 65.16, has the 50 MA and the 618 retrace. That could be the last stop. If it does push through there, I think it's going to give it one good push, maybe go to 70, 71 area, and I think that could be it. If you want to short this one, wait for it to get up into this area if it can make it. And if you're really, really impatient, you could give it a shot at the 65.16. If it gets above the 50 MA and confirms, you got to just exit and wait to short it up here at the top of the inside bar. But this is a beautiful inside bar pattern. If the SPY and the Qs start to break down, this one will go up on earnings a little bit more. It's going to turn around and go right back down. Just a weak looking stock to me. We're below the 50 MA. We're in between the 50 and the 20, so it's neutral from that point of view, but it's in this channel. If we run up into this area, I think it has a good possibility of possibly pulling back. Wow. Even that as well. That's even better. But let's see one thing here. Let's take a fib from the top to the bottom on this one. See if it's coming in. 72.96. And we hit the, yeah, I mean, this is another great inside bar. It doesn't have much upside left in it. Let's go from that pivot. Let's see. Yeah, we're coming into the 382 at 62.99. Yeah, this, if you're long this one, just start tightening your stop. That's about it. You know, we could possibly get a little more. I mean, if for whatever reason it gets back into the $79, $80 level, and wherever this 20 MA is, you got to short this thing. But even off this pattern is a great short. The SPY and everything starts to sell. It's going right back down to 36.83, and then possibly lower if that breaks. But we had a good sell bar and candle floating up as the volume disappears. We had a little more today on I guess earnings. I'm not really sure. And bearish pattern, bearish inside bar pattern. That's the daily, weekly, monthly. I mean, even on the monthly, pretty much all time frames are bearish. Now it's just a dead cat bounce and a short squeeze, and on how high these guys can squeeze this up. But good resistance around 65, 66. Like I said on the weekly, if you want to short this thing, if it gets above in this area, you possibly might want to cover. If not, take a half position here, another half position up in there, and use this high as a stop out. If you're short this one, you're looking for it to engulf this candle, or possibly a nice reversal, get below the 20 MA, and you have some support, you know, right in there, right in here, and of course double bottom at 36.50. But yeah, data, I don't really follow this one. That's just a quick look at it using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please send me an email at StockBookie@gmail.com, and I'll see what I can do about responding to it and making a video for you on the stock that you want me to do. Again, everyone, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps some of you, and God bless. See you on the charts.